I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're dealing with a locked account on TaskRabbit, follow these simple steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the TaskRabbit login page. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link and click it. This will take you to the password recovery section. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your TaskRabbit account. Make sure it's the correct one to receive the recovery email. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from TaskRabbit with instructions to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Click the link in the email and follow the prompts to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. If you encounter any issues, like not receiving the email, double-check the email address you entered. Sometimes a small typo can cause a delay. I hope this helps you get back into your account quickly.